Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Today, we're diving deep into the POCO X7 Pro 5G, a budget-friendly powerhouse that promises a great performance at an affordable price. This phone is making waves, so let's break down everything you need to know about this beast. Starting with the build quality and design, the POCO X7 Pro 5G has a very premium feel despite its affordable price. At first glance, it might look like an expensive flagship phone. The body features a plastic frame and back with a glass front, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for better durability. While some may prefer a full glass or metal build, the plastic back still provides a solid, lightweight feel that makes the phone comfortable to hold. The flat, symmetrical display adds to its sleek, modern look. There's a center punch hole for the front camera, with thin bezels all around, making it look ultra slim. You'll have 3 stunning color options to choose from: a vibrant green, classic black, and a stylish black-yellow dual-tone finish. Personally, I'm a fan of the black-yellow option. It's unique and eye-catching. Now let's talk about the display, which is where the POCO X7 Pro truly shines. It boasts a 6.67-inch screen with 1.5K resolution, providing sharp, vibrant visuals. This size strikes a perfect balance. It's not too large to feel unwieldy, but not too small either. You can easily use it with 2 hands for a comfortable experience, though using it one-handed might be a bit tricky due to its size. The POCO X7 Pro features a 12-bit color depth and supports 68 billion colors, delivering an exceptional viewing experience. With HDR10 Plus certification and Widevine L1, you can stream high-quality content without compromise. Watching videos or gaming on this screen is absolutely a treat. For those concerned about brightness, the POCO X7 Pro offers around 3000 nits of peak brightness, so you'll have no issues with outdoor visibility even in bright sunlight. And if you're a fan of smooth visuals, you'll be happy to know that this phone supports a 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, playing games, or watching videos, the POCO X7 Pro will keep things smooth and lag-free. It also has 120Hz PWM dimming, ensuring that you won't experience flickering issues, which is a huge plus if you're sensitive to screen flicker during extended usage. Now, let's get into the heart of the POCO X7 Pro 5G, its performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, the X7 Pro brings an impressive boost in both efficiency and performance. Built on a 4nm process, this chip offers lower power consumption, meaning better battery life, and reduced heating compared to previous models. This chip also supports a dedicated cooling chamber, so you can game, stream, or multitask without worrying about overheating. Whether you're running resource-intensive apps or playing graphic-heavy games, the POCO X7 Pro has you covered with efficient heat management. Multitasking is a breeze, thanks to its 3.25 GHz clock speed and ARM Cortex-A72 cores. Whether you're switching between apps or handling multiple tasks at once, the phone handles it without skipping a beat. For gamers, the POCO X7 Pro doesn't disappoint. The phone supports 90 FPS gaming with ease, delivering smooth gameplay without any stutters or lag. Thanks to the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.0 storage, you get fast app loading times and quick file transfers. You'll notice an instant boost in speed and responsiveness, making this phone ideal for gaming or heavy multitasking. And to top it off, the Dimensity 8400 chips and Antutu score is around 1.8 million, which is crazy high for a phone in this price range. It's more than capable of handling your everyday tasks and demanding applications with ease. Now, let's dive into the camera setup on the POCO X7 Pro 5G. While we don't have all the details just yet, we do know that it features a dual camera system. From previous leaks and rumors, we expect a combination of a primary camera for crisp, detailed shots and a secondary sensor for depth effects or wide-angle shots. What's exciting here is that POCO is using AI enhancements to optimize image processing, meaning you can expect better photos even in low-light conditions. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or casual snaps, the POCO X7 Pro aims to deliver solid camera performance that doesn't disappoint. Stay tuned for a more in-depth look at the camera's capabilities in the full review, where we'll put it through real-world tests. A great performance phone is nothing without a reliable battery, And the POCO X7 Pro 5G delivers on that front as well. Equipped with a sizable battery, it ensures you have enough juice to get through a full day of heavy usage, from gaming sessions to video streaming. Plus, it supports fast charging, allowing you to get back to using your phone quickly after a short charge. Whether you're in a rush or just want to top off the battery before heading out, the POCO X7 Pro has you covered. The POCO X7 Pro runs on MIUI, which is based on Android, giving you a smooth and customizable software experience. With MIUI, you get tons of useful features like a system-wide dark mode, gesture navigation, and plenty of customization options to make the phone truly your own. Additionally, you'll get regular software updates, ensuring that your phone stays secure and up-to-date with the latest features and improvements. At a starting price of just $24,999, the POCO X7 Pro 5G offers incredible value for the price. With flagship-level performance, a stunning display, solid build quality, and a battery that lasts, it stands out as one of the best budget 5G phones in the market right now. So, is it worth the hype? Absolutely. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone looking for a powerful, future-proof phone without breaking the bank, the POCO X7 Pro 5G delivers everything you need. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the POCO X7 Pro 5G? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Catch you in the next one.